Hello guys, welcome back. So today we'll see another type of one-way data binding, that is property binding. We represent it with square braces, like property is equal to value, as you are seeing here. We'll see some examples on it, and we have taken some code here. I'll explain it one by one. So the first example is here we are setting the image using a variable. I have taken this variable in the TS file. Say this is some URL link, so I have taken it as image URL, and this image URL I'm setting it to the image property attribute src. Okay, so this is how you denote represent a property attribute src in square braces. So once the image URL has been set and applied to this property attribute, image will be displayed on the screen. The next is disabling or enabling a button. So I have a button submit. So to this I'm sending a is disabled variable. I'm passing it to the property attribute disabled. So I have taken is disabled as true. So it is disabled, true. True will be passed to disabled, so the button will be disabled on the screen. Let me show you. Yeah, button is disabled. If you make it false, button will be enabled. Okay, now next example is setting input value. I have a input value hello, and this I want to set it to my input text. So what do? I take a input and I pass the input value to value property attribute, so that it sets hello into this input text box. Got it? So the next example is setting table column span. um, I have a table which has three columns: column 1, column 2, column 3. I'll show you on the screen. So say suppose I don't have this. It's wait, okay. Say I have A, B, and C. Okay. I have three columns: column 1, column 2, column 3, and I have a row with A, B, C in these three columns. Okay. So say suppose I want to merge. Uh, I want to merge all these columns and all these columns for this row. I want to display it as ABC. What do? I say ABC. I remove these two and say in TD I give call span is equal to call count. What is call count? Call count is a number which I have assigned it to 3. So I need to merge 3 columns. So I say call count, call span is equal to call count. Call span is our property attribute of TD. I save it and I just check. As you can see, all the 3 columns have been merged for this row ABC. Okay, and if you want to merge B and C, so what I say A here, and I just want B and C to be merged, but we need to change the value from 3 to 2, right? Because you are merging B and C and not A. A is in different cell, so as you can see, A is in different cell, it is in column 1. B and C have been merged and there is no nothing to separate between column 2 and column 3, right? This is how you work with property attributes. So these are the examples. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.